Ever wanted to turn your device into a detective supercomputer? Today, I'm showing you how to uncover hidden information with just a few clicks. We're counting down the 15 most powerful, free Osint apps that will transform your phone or computer into an intelligence-gathering machine. Let's dive in and build your digital detective toolkit. First up is Maltego, a tool that's become legendary in the world of digital investigation and open-source intelligence, or Osint. If you've ever wondered how professionals connect the dots between seemingly unrelated pieces of information, Maltego is often their secret weapon. All you need to do is plug in a name, email address, phone number, or even a domain. With just a few keystrokes, you set the stage for a deep dive into the digital footprints people leave behind. Instantly, Maltego springs into action, mapping out a sprawling web of connections. You'll see IP addresses, social media profiles, websites, and domains all linked together in a visual network. It's like watching a spider spin its web, revealing how everything is interconnected. This isn't just for hobbyists. Law enforcement agencies, private investigators, and cybersecurity experts rely on Maltego every day to track down criminals, uncover fraud, and protect digital assets. The best part, there's a free community edition, so you can experience its power without spending a dime. With a single click, you can run transforms, automated searches that pull in data from across the internet. For example, enter a Twitter handle, and Maltego can map out all its connections, followers, and even geolocations, painting a detailed picture of online relationships. Instead of sifting through endless spreadsheets or raw data, Maltego organizes everything into a visual story. Each node and connection tells you something new, making complex investigations much more manageable and even a bit exciting. If you're just starting out in Osint, Maltego is the perfect launchpad. It makes connecting the dots intuitive and visual, so you can uncover hidden links and patterns with ease. Dive in and see how simple it is to turn scattered data into actionable intelligence. Number 2 on our list is Spiderfoot. Think of it as your very own automated army of digital investigators, always ready to work at lightning speed. Imagine having a team of tireless robots, each one programmed to dig deep into the web, uncover hidden connections, and bring back valuable intelligence, all with just a few clicks. All you have to do is give Spiderfoot a target, maybe a domain, an email address, or even an IP, and it instantly unleashes hundreds of specialized modules. These modules fan out across the internet, gathering everything they can find: data breaches, leaked emails, subdomains, open ports, exposed tech stacks, and so much more. It's like sending out a swarm of digital detectives, each with a unique skill set. Within just minutes, Spiderfoot compiles all this information into a detailed, categorized report. You'll see everything neatly organized. No more sifting through endless search results or piecing together clues by hand. What used to take hours or even days of manual research is now done for you automatically, saving you precious time and effort. Whether you're gathering threat intelligence, performing penetration testing, or conducting deep dive research into a target, Spiderfoot is the perfect tool. It's trusted by cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, and researchers worldwide for its thoroughness and speed. By automating the tedious grunt work, Spiderfoot lets you focus on what really matters, analyzing results and making smart decisions. And the best part? You can get started for free, making it accessible for anyone who wants to level up their investigations. At number 3 on our list, let's dive into the fascinating world of Shodan, often called the world's most dangerous search engine. But what makes it so unique, and why do cybersecurity experts and hackers alike pay so much attention to it? Unlike Google, which helps you find websites and information, Shodan scans and catalogs every device connected to the internet. We're talking about everything from everyday webcams and smart fridges to city traffic lights, security cameras, industrial control systems, and even entire power grids. If it's online, Shodan can probably find it. With Shodan, you can search for exposed devices, see exactly what software they're running, and even spot vulnerabilities, sometimes before hackers do. This means you can identify weak points in your own network or see just how exposed the world really is. It's a powerful tool for both defense and offense. For anyone involved in Osint or open source intelligence, Shodan is a goldmine. It allows you to map out a company's entire digital infrastructure, revealing servers, routers, and devices that might otherwise stay hidden. This kind of visibility is invaluable for security professionals and researchers. Ultimately, Shodan changes how you see the internet. Instead of just browsing websites, you're peering into the physical network that powers the web, uncovering the hidden connections and devices that make our digital world possible. It's a reminder that the internet isn't just virtual. It's built on real, tangible machines all around us. Number 4 is the Harvester, a lean, mean info-gathering machine. It quickly finds emails, subdomains, and hosts from public sources like Google and LinkedIn. Perfect for mapping a company's online presence or prepping for social engineering tests. The command line interface is simple. Just type your target domain and let it work. It's a classic tool for a reason. Fast, reliable, and essential. At 5, Reconnaissance is your customizable web reconnaissance framework. Load modules to find social profiles, data leaks, voice, info, and more, all in one workspace. Chain modules together for custom workflows, like finding employee names and then their emails. It's advanced, but the learning curve pays off as your investigations get deeper. Reconnaissance grows with you, holding your digital investigations together. Number 6 is FOCA, the Metadata Master. Feed it public documents, and it extracts hidden data, usernames, software versions, internal paths, even emails. FOCA automates the hunt, searching for files and presenting everything in a clean interface. It's a treasure map for internal company info, all from public files. Always scrub your own metadata. FOCA proves how much you can reveal by accident. 7 is the Osint framework, a web-based mind map of hundreds of Osint tools. Click a category, like email address, and instantly see all the best resources for that task. It's constantly updated by the community, making it your go-to reference for any investigation. Beginners learn fast, experts save time. It's not a data finder, but it's the map to every digital treasure. Number 8 is Google Dorking, using advanced search operators to uncover hidden files and sensitive info. Search for file type PDF, confidential site example.com, or INURL admin login to find exposed documents and login pages. Entire databases of dorks exist to help you dig deeper. Mastering Google Dorking is a fundamental Osint skill. Sometimes the best tool is the one you already use. 9 is Sherlock. Give it a username and it checks hundreds of social sites and forums for matches. Instantly map out a person's digital footprint across platforms. People reuse usernames, so this is key for building a profile. Sherlock is fast, easy, and covers everything from major networks to obscure forums. It's the first step in any social media investigation. 10 is Creepy, a geolocation aggregator for social media. Enter a username, and it maps every location tagged in their posts, photos, and check-ins. See where someone lives, works, or travels, all from public data. It's a powerful reminder to check your privacy settings. Creepy bridges the digital and physical worlds in a way that's both useful and unsettling. 11 is Social Searcher, a real-time social media search engine. Track keywords, hashtags, or mentions as they happen on platforms like Twitter and Facebook. Get live analytics, sentiment, and top users for any topic or event. It's your window into the world's unfiltered live conversation. 12 is Have I Been Pawned, a searchable database of data breaches. Enter an email or phone number to see if it's been compromised. For Osint, it reveals which services a target uses and if their info has leaked. It's a must-use tool for both investigations and personal security. Check yourself. If you're in a breach, change your passwords now. 13 is Extractor, the king of metadata extraction. Run it on any image or file to reveal hidden data, camera model, GPS coordinates, edit history, and more. It's essential for verifying images or finding location data in photos. Extractor is command line, but simple to use. Every digital file tells a story. Extractor lets you read it. 14 is Twint, a Twitter scraper that doesn't use the official API. Scrape tweets, followers, keywords, and more. No account or API limits. Export everything to a spreadsheet for deep analysis. Twint gives you unprecedented access to Twitter data for investigations. 15 is Intelligence X, a search engine for data leaks, dark web forums, and historical archives. Search for domains, emails, or keywords in places Google can't reach. Find deleted posts, old versions of sites, or leaked databases. Free searches give you a powerful starting point. It's the ultimate tool for finding digital skeletons in the closet. That's 15 insane Osint apps to turn your device into a detective supercomputer. Use these tools ethically. Knowledge is power, but responsibility matters. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.